Welcome back to Inner Purpose Therapy. Have you ever noticed how often your mind is racing with thoughts, leaving you feeling scattered and ungrounded? This is where grounding meditation comes into play. It's a practice designed to anchor you in the present moment, to calm the constant chatter of your mind, and to foster a deeper connection with the earth beneath you. It's a way to cultivate a sense of stability and presence, to help you navigate life's challenges with more calm and ease. Today, you will discover how to connect with the earth and cultivate a sense of stability and presence. Start by bringing your awareness to your breath. Let your mind gently settle on the rhythm of your breathing. Feel the cool air as it enters your nostrils and the warm air as it exits. Notice the subtle rise and fall of your chest and belly as you breathe in and breathe out. Just observe. Don't control your breathing. Let it be natural and free, like the ebb and flow of ocean waves. As you continue to breathe, let your attention drift down to your feet. Feel the weight of your feet as they rest on the floor. Feel the firmness of the ground beneath them. Imagine that your feet are like strong, sturdy trees, firmly rooted in the earth. Feel the connection, the meeting point between your feet and the ground. It's as if you and the earth are one, inseparable. Now, visualize roots extending from the soles of your feet, reaching deep into the earth. These roots symbolize your connection to nature, to the world around you. They anchor you in the present moment, giving you a sense of stability and grounding. As you breathe, feel the connection between your feet and the ground beneath you. Let this connection remind you of your strength, your resilience. Like a tree, you are grounded yet flexible. You can withstand the winds of change, the storms of life, and through it all, you remain rooted, stable, and present. Visualize roots extending from the soles of your feet, reaching deep into the earth. Picture them growing, branching out, and burrowing into the nurturing soil. This is your connection to the world, your anchor in the ever-changing tide of life. Picture these roots as an extension of you, a part of your being that taps into the profound and timeless energy of our planet. Each root is a conduit, a pathway that allows this energy to flow into you, filling you with a sense of calm and stability. As these roots burrow further, they encounter different layers of the earth. Each layer is a testament to time and transformation, just like the layers of experiences and wisdom within you. Feel how your roots intertwine with these layers, creating a bond that is as ancient as the earth itself. Now imagine this energy rising, flowing up through these roots, up through your feet, and filling your entire body. Feel it as a warm, calming presence, a radiant light that brings with it a sense of peace and grounding. This energy, this light, it's a reminder of your connection to the earth, your place in the grand scheme of things. You are part of something much larger, something timeless and enduring. Experience the sense of stability and grounding as these roots grow deeper. You are rooted, you are grounded, and you are connected. This is your moment, your connection to the earth, your grounding meditation. Allow any tension or stress to flow out of your body, down through the roots and into the ground. Picture your worries and anxieties as dark clouds being drawn away from you, down those roots and dissolving into the earth. Feel the weight of these burdens lessen as they leave you. Now visualize the earth's energy rising up through these roots and filling you with a comforting light. This light is stability and strength. It is presence and peace. It's the earth's gift to you, a testament to the unyielding support it provides. Take a moment to appreciate this support. Feel the earth beneath your feet, steady and unchanging. It's here for you, grounding you, holding you up even when things seem uncertain. Now, as you're filled with the earth's energy, allow yourself to bask in this sense of stability. Take a moment to appreciate the support and stability the earth provides. As we come to the end of this meditation, take a few more deep breaths. Slowly awaken your body, starting with a gentle wiggle of your fingers and toes. Gradually open your eyes, welcoming back your surroundings, while holding on to the serenity from within. Grounding meditation, as we've practiced today, fosters a deep sense of stability and presence. It's a gentle reminder of our connection to the earth and the peace that brings. Thank you for joining me in this grounding meditation. May you carry this sense of stability and presence with you throughout your day.